Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Hazarman.
My name is Isaac Shafiq bin Mazlan.
My name is Muhammad Irfan Azim bin Abu Nadir.
My name is Muhammad Idam bin Halim.
My name is Mio Adwan Nakib bin Nur Azman.
Now, recently years, the industry automation, they evaluate based on the cost, industry and performance. But how to operate this HVAC? One commonly used time framework to measure this responsibility is known as ESG. ESG stands for the environmental, social, and the commercial. It is a framework used to evaluate how organizations manage environmental impact, social responsibility, and ethical decision-making.
In automotive context, the environmental aspect include the fuel consumption, exhaust emission, energy efficiency, and the material used in the vehicle system.
Social aspect refer to how vehicle technology affect people, including driver, passenger, and technician. This include cabin comfort, safety.
Governance focus on how manufacturing design, testing, and manage vehicle system. This include regulator, compliance, report responsibility, engineering decision, and long-term reliability.
In short, the designer need to design properly and test it properly and don't hope for the problem disappear.
Now we understanding about principle ESG. Right now, let's apply the real automotive hatchback vehicle system.
Many conventional vehicles, the air conditioning system place continuous load on the engine. Okay, when cooling system increase, fuel consumption and emission also increase.
Another concept is refrigerant leakage. Refrigerant have high global warming potential and contribute to environmental impact if released.
This affects environmental pillar through emission and social pillar through driver comfort and driver fatigue.
So, if the cabin is cold but the fuel gauge is dropping fast, it means the ESG is paying the price.
Even order a vehicle feature can reduce this impact.
One example in variable air conditioning system. This system adjusts output based on the cooling demand instead the running of the full capacity all the time.
This reduce engine load, improve fuel efficiency, and lower emission.
Another effective features is air recirculation mode. By reusing cool air cabin, the hatchback vehicle system require less energy to maintain temperature.
It's very simple features, but it's very efficiency to support ESG goals.
So, in conclusion, ESG is not limited to corporate policy.
Okay, it is directly connected to the real vehicle system.
Very common hatchback system in older cars support sustainability.
This proves that responsible engineering can start with current technologies.
ESG is not just discussed in the meeting, but it is already built into the car.